G'day folks, another lovely morning in Hua Hin, Thailand. Tita and I just up for our morning meditation. Here we step straight out of bed onto this nice little platform here early in the morning. Sit in silence for 15 to 30 minutes, however we feel is right. No emails, no phones, just getting the mind in a good space for the day ahead. There's beautiful ambience here in the morning. There's birds, sounds, and little squirrels running around through the trees, and yeah, it's a good vibe, just a good place to start the day. So we'll just sit here for a while and get in a good space, and should be a nice day ahead. Sometimes it's beach straight after meditation, but Tita wants to dance this morning, don't you, babe? So, a bit of dancing first. We've been learning a few moves, and you got your dancing shoes on? Ready to bust a move?
Sure.
Yeah. All right, let's get this party started.
Change, my change, life change.
Ooh.
Tita word.
Quote from Tita.
Quote from Tita.
Put that on a t-shirt.
Ooh, this is my thing. You know, I like this.
Let's go to the beach, eh?
Go to the beach, rest, relax.
We get to the beach 2 times a day sometimes. One in the morning, one in the evening. It depends what we're doing. What do we got here on the beach? Big coconut.
It still have water inside. Or
really?
What? So heavy.
Can we take it home and open it up?
Why not?
Yeah, let's do it. Stash it over there and we'll take it on the way home. Just spotted this guy on some strange looking surfboard coming across the water here. I'm going to show you guys this. Check this out. It's like on one of those hoverboard things. Esquire's got to get one of them, man. That looks awesome.
Yeah.
The water is very clear this morning. Look at this.
I want to sing again.
Yeah, do it. I like it.
Coming to this earth to find healing. Mother Earth takes in the rain. Like your heart, take my voice. Let us free each other without pain, without voice.
I really like the song you were singing, babe.
Thank you.
Yeah. It makes me feel very relaxed when I hear you singing it.
I do it like how do you say?
African.
Or some girl, you know, she have strong neck. She can hold everything on her head. So heavy thing. Time to eat breakfast. This is my secret recipe.
Actually, it's my secret recipe that
It's
you
mine now.
stole.
It's mine now.
I make the best overnight oats, and Tita was like, "How did you do that?" And now
It's mine.
she copied my recipe.
Do you know what it made with? We add like soy milk in it, a lot of soy milk, and raisin, banana, ripe banana, chocolate. Don't miss chocolate. I'm chocolate fan, and you need to add salt in it. Look at this. Looks so good. And today I want to add some fresh cold mango น้ำดอกไม้อุ้ย ready gonna come to my mouth
This is the Esquire office. Step into my office, folks. Just chilling here. It's got a nice little view on this end. Yeah, the other end of the house just gets too warm during the day, so I sit here, do my emails and bits and pieces throughout the day. I was working on a Tita video earlier before. If you haven't already subscribed to Tita's channel, it's a new video should be putting out later today. Yeah, but I really miss sitting at a coffee shop during the day. That's one of my favorite things to do, so can't wait till coffee shops reopen and we can go and enjoy a coffee and sit in a nice air-conditioned place. This just arrived in the mail from Lazada. Any of you guys living out in Thailand might be familiar with Lazada. Great service. I ordered this yesterday and it's arrived today. I'm going to take it into Tita. I think she'll be chuffed about this.
Wait,
What?
I'm naked.
Oh, she's naked. The air conditioning on in here.
Don't
I'm sitting out there in the heat, and you got the air conditioning running in here.
ใจเย็นๆ Babe
Put some clothes on. You know, it's not even
I
hot.
need to order the food because it ran out.
What food? It's always about food here.
Yuan Tong food is just open the order for me.
Oh,
I need to order.
you ordering some lunch?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
This came in the mail.
อะไรอะ What is that?
It's well, have a guess. Square.
คืออะไร
Open
What
it up.
is that?
Open
Wait,
it up.
wait for me. Food first. Dun, 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 dun,
Yeah.
dun, 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 dun,
Open
dun,
up.
dun, dun. In here. Look like a nest. We use this for dry bananas.
Yeah.
We're gonna make our dry banana.
I'm gonna do all sorts of bananas. Dry bananas, maybe a bit of cacao powder coated bananas, maybe some coconut sugar coated bananas. Chili coated
Spicy
bananas.
banana.
Let's go set it
Crazy.
up. We've got 2 banana varieties here. Starting to cut them up. We're arguing over what shape to cut them up in.
We're gonna mix it. Mix it up to you.
Mr.
Up to you, Mr. La 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 la. Ui, I can't move it much. The spot.
Stay tuned. Dry bananas. Gonna be coming at you like a bomb.
Come at you like a bomb.
Alright.
Bye.
Get out
So
of the sun.
hot.
Maybe we'll start our own dried banana brand.
Hey.
Esquire.
Like a bomb.
Esquire and Tita's. Like a bomb bananas.
Like a bomb banana.
Might sell them on my website. Likeabombbananas.com.
That's cool name though. เอาเหรอไม่อ่ะเขาไม่มีข้าวมาให้เหรอตายหาไม่เห็นข้าวว้าว pumpkin soup and a bit of mushroom put together not too much
Esquire's fasting, so I'm only eating for like, I'll eat at like 4 p.m. today.
so good
Looks good. I'm feeling very hungry looking at that.
made from tamarind
Yummy. Enjoy, Nadja. I go back upstairs.
okay bye bye
I don't know what's happening in your country, guys, but here in Thailand, all the gyms are closed at the moment. Bit of a pain. So we got to innovate So I got picked up these resistance bands on Lazada. They were only 10 bucks each or something like that. This is not a fitness channel, so I'm not going to pretend like I'm some sort of expert, but I'm doing my best out here. You know, challenging myself every day. Tita as well. But that's one of the reasons I came here, was just to knuckle down on my health and well-being. So doing whatever we can, body weight training, resistance band training. I'm pushing myself to do handstands at the moment as well. I've always wanted to do a handstand, so I'm going through the motions with that as well. So gonna get my workout on for 60 minutes, just burn up a sweat, burn some fat. I'm approaching 40 years old now, so there's no f***ing around anymore. Got to really step it up and push the body every day. What are you guys doing during this lockdown? What's your fitness regime? Are gyms open in your area? I'd like to know. Let us know, guys. I'm done. Babe, what are we on to next? What are you doing?
What time is it? Almost 5.
Gotta go to the market and get some
Yeah, it's almost.
get some stuff for
cooking
dinner tonight.
time.
Yeah? All right, market trip. Take you
Yeah.
guys to the market. Tita's got a new favourite market she likes. Go check it out.
There's gonna be a lot of things there.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we've just cycled to Tita's new favourite market. It's a nice little market. We'll take you inside. You really like this market, yeah?
It feels so local here, and like you can get cheap stuff here, and some like, how do you say, the vegetable that you not find in shopping mall.
Some
Yeah, and the
specialty
feeling
stuff,
of like, because like you can connect with people. That's what I like. Yeah.
Okay, let's go inside.
Oh. Do you know what it is?
What is it?
This is come from mango,
Oh, really?
right? Yeah, it's a mango leaf.
Wow.
You can use it.
What do you use that for?
ก็แบบ like salad or soup anything.
What do you have there, babe?
Tofu, soybean tofu, 10 baht per each.
10 baht per block.
Yeah. I get 4.
40 baht for all that.
Yeah.
ขอบคุณค่ะเจริญเจริญนะ
จ้าขายดีค่ะ
จ๊ะ
Some nice looking mangoes here. Taurai krap? 30 per kilo. Okay. Let's get 2 kilo krap.
กินได้ แต่ต้องเอาผมเข้ากล้องด้วยนะ
Offering free snack. ขอบคุณมาก
เข้ากล้องด้วย
เดิมตอมโอเวนเดแดงแดงโม
ได้นั่นแหละเพลงนี้เลย
So 60 baht for all that, guys. 2 kilos of mango, premium quality. What a deal!
ขอบคุณครับ
Just offered me this rice snack here. It's just rice with some sugar, coconut sugar on top. Alright. ขอบคุณครับ
A lot of fresh veggies here. Eggplant. In Thai we call ผักชีลาว and this is foreigner ผักชีฝรั่ง and lemongrass, galangal, and kefir lime. So today I gonna cook tom yum and น้ำพริกอ่อง Let's see. Oh yeah, we need mushroom for.
Shopping's done. We're gonna cycle home now. You ready? Yeah, we get a lot of exercise during the day. Always active. The bikes really help, yeah. Otherwise, you'd be pompooing. Yeah? She got strong legs, this woman.
Let's go.
Tita's in the kitchen, smashing up a storm.
อย่างแรกไปค่ะ ลงไปแหวกว่ายในเต้าหู้และถั่วโอ้บ่ใจ
What are we doing here, babe?
We almost finished. We just need to wait till the tomato cook.
Yeah.
And I will smash it in a little piece.
Smash it some more. She likes smashing.
โอ้
Likes the smashing part, don't you?
spicy จ้า
Give me a taste.
spicy need some some more seasoning.
Oh yeah, that's got some kick.
Kick to
Ooh,
your ass.
that's proper kick. This is dish number 2. Chilies. Oh, look at all that spicy goodness.
You want more?
All right, folks, it's dinner time. Tom yum. We got nam prick. We got some raw veggies here. Tina's going to show us how to eat. Thank you.
นะจ๊ะ โอเคจ้ะ let's eat
Let's eat spicy nam prick.
น้ำพี่ออง and you eat it
That's
with
amazing.
fresh.
If you like spicy food, that is wow.
Let's come to me.
Oh yeah.
I can burn your mouth.
Food, no? All right, guys, we won't let you watch us eat all of this delicious food. Thanks for following along today's vlog. Just a bit of day in the life stuff. Thailand's going to start opening up some more things, attractions, national parks, restaurants soon. So Tina and I look forward to venturing out a bit more soon and showing you a bit more of this beautiful country and beautiful city of Hua Hin. So yeah, say good day in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.